So we got rid of a lot of that flare. It's flared a little bit right there, but most of it's gone.